What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes, on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. You know, I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank. And so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Yes, making money online is what everyone wants now, and that's the new trend here because no one wants to stay in the office and work 9 to 5 and earn the same money and earn less than people that work from home. And one of the ways you can earn online is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is just selling a particular product for a company online and getting commission for each product to sell. For instance, when you sell a product of $70, you can get a $15 as commission, and the more product to sell, the more commission you are going to get. And the way by which you can get more commission is by marketing or promoting your product to people that are going to buy more of your product. And there are two ways by which you can promote your product on affiliate marketing. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Let me start with the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a method by which you pay digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create ads for you. For instance, sometimes when you are browsing on your Facebook, you will see some adverts that will just pop up. That is one of the paid traffic system. Yes, you are paying the platform to promote your product to audience online. Also, we have the free traffic system, which is where I come in. The free traffic system involves using of software and all the likes. And I have developed a software myself because of the struggle I had in affiliate marketing. As a software developer also, I have developed several software which I have used over the years, but I have a software which is earning me big money now, like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, my software works by gathering organic leads from digital platforms and promoting your affiliate product or link to these organic leads for you to get commission. Yes, and my software generates more than 2,000 organic leads daily and promotes your affiliate product to them for you to get commission. So you are going to get many sales through my organic leads, and that is why you can see this result on the screen. This is the result of one of my students that got my software and video course and is earning wonderfully. As you can see on the screen, these are excellent results. You can see $700, $600, $500. So that's how you'll be earning daily when you get my software and video course. And I've recorded a video course that will guide you step by step on how to use my software to get excellent sales like this on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform to promote affiliate products. Yes, because it will help you generate organic leads online and you can promote a link or a product that you want to any of your targeted traffic that you've generated online. So to get my software and video course now and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, contact me today on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, which is in blue, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen, which is in red. So get my software and video course today and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, my video course will take you step by step on how to use the software to get excellent sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And the software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can also use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo and the likes to get excellent sales like this. So contact me today and start earning big and join the trend of the smart ones that are making money online. Yes, because it's not about the hard work now, it's about the smart work. You can make millions of dollars while you sleep, like I'll be doing and many of my students I'll be doing also. So contact me today to get my software and video course. Also, let me chip this in. So people has been asking me that if I'm earning millions online, why am I still selling software? Yes, the purpose of me selling software is to gather affiliate marketers around the world, because as a software developer, I'm still working on more software and more solutions to problems that digital marketers are facing. So I want to create a platform that I will have many affiliate marketers that I can bring in new programs and new skills and new software, so that we can make move massively. So contact me today on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyway, and I train people now to make money online. Thank you.